Hey everybody, welcome back to Retired Renovators. If you're brand new to the channel, welcome. This is the channel where my husband Gary and I are documenting the renovations of our carriage house and big brick house in Paducah, Kentucky. And today I'm starting a series of the finished product in the carriage house so you can see what we had been working on and what it ended up looking like. So hope you stick around and watch what we do.
What was the other thing I'm going to say? Uh-oh.
Yeah.
Uh-oh.
All right, so I'm standing in our kitchen, which is pretty good size compared to the size of the apartment in the carriage house that we're currently living in. Our entire living space is only 869 square feet. So you might ask, why did we build such a big kitchen proportionately to the size of the living space? And there's a number of reasons. One is I love kitchens. Two, sort of the constraint of the layout that we had. It didn't really make sense to make it any smaller than it did. I love the open, but it has a nice open concept feel to it and flows into the rest of the house. So let me just point out a couple of things that I really like about the kitchen that we did. Things I love about this kitchen. On this back wall, this is a transom window. It shares a wall with the bathroom. And so this transom window is in the shower. And so it lets light come in from this room into the bathroom. It's just this nice little design feature that we thought of with thanks to the help of our friend Marcy Hinton, who first suggested putting some kind of window up there. So shout out to Marcy and thank you. And this light comes from the sun tunnel that we put in. You can still see that big bright circle on the ceiling. That is not a light, it is a sun tunnel. And we came up with that idea because there were no windows on this part of the carriage house, and we wanted as much natural light as possible. And so it really keeps the kitchen lit up throughout the day. It's really fun, and you can catch the indirect sunlight into the bathroom. If you haven't subscribed to our channel yet, let me encourage you to hit subscribe, whichever corner that is, and give us a thumbs up. Helps with the YouTube analytics. It's completely free, and sure would appreciate you taking just a second to hit subscribe. Also, if you notice, I have lights everywhere. We have can lights in the ceiling, we have the sun tunnel, and we have hanging lights here. And that's because I don't see all that well, and when I'm cooking, I really like bright light. So that was one of my requests. No matter what we do, let's make sure this kitchen is lit up enough. I love a bright and simple kitchen, and that's one reason we picked white cabinets. This is for you, Jill Rommel. I know you love a white kitchen. Here we have white shaker style cabinets, white quartz. There is actually a little gray pattern on the quartz, but it's mostly white. Just really simple. We're extremely happy with how this came out. As much as I love a white kitchen, we did decide we needed a little splash of color, and Gary is actually the one who came up with this midnight blue tile suggestion. I was really hesitant. I thought it was too stark, but it turned out to be fantastic. I love this single bowl sink. Once I started using single bowl sinks, I will never go back. I just think a deep single bowl sink is the way to go. Couldn't end this video without mentioning the chicken on top of our upper cabinets. This was given to me by Jay Bender, a former colleague of mine at the University of South Carolina, and I just love it and will always have a great place for it in our kitchen. Thanks, Jay.